What's the meaning of breviary? Breviary. Breviary.
Breviary. Breviary. A breviary is a type of prayer book used by members of the Catholic Church. It contains the texts for the Liturgy of the Hours, a series of daily prayers and readings that are an important part of Catholic worship. The breviary was developed in the Middle Ages as a way to make the daily prayers more accessible and easier to use. It typically includes psalms, hymns, scripture readings, and other prayers. Today, breviaries are still used by priests, deacons, and other members of the clergy, as well as by laypeople who wish to participate in the Liturgy of the Hours.